Another morning in Brooklyn, Crown Heights, Utica Avenue. I'm outside my apartment. Right next door, there's a Dominican place. I've never had Dominican food before. I looked at the menu and it looked really good, so I thought, let's go in there and do a food review. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna speak to the owner. She's gonna describe everything on the menu, and then we're gonna try some Dominican food for the first time. So let's go, follow me inside.
Yeah. Let's do chicken and plantains? Yeah, a piece of yuca. And a piece of yuca, okay. So we have the white rice. Traditional stew, Dominican bean. In the corner. In the corner, yes. Yeah. Got some yams in it, cilantro, the beans. We have stewed chicken here.
Oh, so tasty.
Yeah. And then a piece of cassava.
Okay.
And then we're gonna end it with a piece of sweet plantain.
Right.
You want some peppers? Yeah.
That's a fully loaded plate.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Yeah, that's 2 meals there.
About 2 meals.
You can get 2 meals out of that.
That's decent, that's decent.
Oh, and what are they now? Do you take the card?
Cash only, sweetie.
Cash only?
Yeah.
So are you a regular customer here?
Oh, yeah. I used to come a long time before.
Okay. So I've never had Dominican food before, so it's my first time trying. You're gonna show us what you've got. So what's that?
We make empanadas here every morning. We call them pastelitos in Dominican Republic. This one is a cheese one.
Yeah.
And then just cut it open. You got nice gooey cheese inside.
Nice. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we also make beef and chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. So we serve those every morning. We have baked mac and cheese. This is fried pork. It's very popular back in the Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
So it's like pork chunks. We have some fried fish.
Yeah.
This is one of our best sellers.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah. And we have stewed chicken. Yeah. Here, this is our breakfast special. So it's called tres golpes. We have the eggs, cheese, and salami.
Okay.
So we pair with either yuca or with some mango.
What's that?
Mango, this is mashed plantains.
Okay.
We mash it with butter and a little bit of
Is it the sweet
oil.
one? Is it the sweet one too?
No, it's the green plantains.
Oh, the green one. Okay.
Yeah. Then we have the sweet plantains over here. You can complete any meal with the sweet plantains. We got some steamed cabbage and our. Oh, I think it died. Did it turn out? Okay. Yeah. We have our rice and beans that we serve with every meal.
Okay, so what's that bean stew?
It says bean stew here.
Okay.
We put yams in it, put cilantro, onions, pepper, and this one.
And you got some cassava.
And then we have cassava over here that you can pair with our pickled onions. Can't go wrong with pickled onions.
So I see you got some cakes here as well.
Yeah, so on the top we have dulce de leche cortada with raisin, just milk curdles.
Yeah.
In the second level we have tres leches cake. We have Oreo flavor, strawberry flavor.
Nice. I think I'll have some of that.
And we have vanilla flavor as well at the end.
Yeah.
And at the bottom we have macaroni salad we make here with some like peppers and carrots. And then right next to that we have flan. Which is a custard.
Okay, nice. Cool. Yeah, the Oreo ones, that looks good. I think I might have.
Yeah, that one's a really popular one. And then we have New York style cookies here. I can take them out of the container.
And you bake all these yourself?
We do bake them all ourselves, so I'm going to take these out to show you. So we have chocolate walnut. We have Oreo, which is #1 seller right now. We have oatmeal. And then we have almond chocolate here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have an Instagram page too if you want to.
Yeah. Okay. So that's the Instagram page. Yeah. Okay.
So if you send the QR code, flour dough cookie.
Okay. So what about the drink that you spoke about yesterday?
Oh, I can make it really quick. You want to make one really quick?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you. Yeah, I can't wait to try that one.
Yeah. It's basically orange juice with milk, but everyone adds like a little touch to it.
Yeah.
It could be cinnamon, it could be a little vanilla extract and stuff like that. But it's basically like orange juice and milk. You can have it for breakfast, or you can have it for the afternoon. Fried plantains and fish and stuff like that.
That's very different. I've never heard of it. It's really different.
So we just add a little vanilla extract to it.
Yeah. What extract is that? Vanilla?
It's vanilla extract, but we get it from Dominican Republic.
Okay.
So it's just a little bit thicker than the water-based one we get here.
Okay.
And then a little sugar. There's another little trick. You can add a little bit of lemon juice, but you have to drink it right away.
Why is that?
Because the lemon juice will cut the milk, but it gives it like that extra.
That little kick, that citrus, yeah. It's a little bit of lemon juice.
Yeah.
Nice evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk.
Okay.
And then we have some ice.
That was so good. Nice.
You have to give it a little try, let me know.
Yeah. Right, let's try this. Right, so I'm going to try it. So what's the name again?
Morir soñando.
Morir
soñando. So basically translate.
Morir soñando.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty good. Translate to like die dreaming, basically.
Was it translate?
To die dreaming.
Oh, die dreaming.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's supposed to be that good.
Okay. Yeah, this is good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good? It's like a sweet, tangy.
Yeah, I can taste it, yeah. When I go back to London, I'm going to look for a Dominican place and see if they sell them.
I'm sure they'll probably have it.
Right, so I just got a fully loaded dish right here. Can't wait to tuck in. I'm going to say thank you. So this is a family business, right?
It is a family-owned business, yeah.
Well, thanks for having us. Very informative. Can't wait to try the food, and if I'm back, I'm definitely going to try again.
Perfect.
Yeah?
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you so much.
All right, take care.
See you guys.
Bye. So I'm outside the shop. The shop is quite small. It's what they call hole in the wall. So hole in the wall is like a place where they just do takeaways. So this is what I got. Fully loaded. It's got everything. It's got the stew beans. It's got the plantains. It's got the fried fish, pickled onions. And it's got the mango, which is, I said this is the mashed plantain. Okay, so it's got a salty taste, spicy. Try the fish as well. The fish is nice and tender. A little bit salty. A bit crispy on the outside. Let's try the mac and cheese. The mac and cheese is perfect. Pickled onion. It's so nice. The plantain is fried to perfection. The beans, really nice as well. Such a hot plate, really hot. But yeah, I'm definitely liking the fish though. Got some rice as well. And this thing is fire. But I'll be honest, I can't remember how to pronounce it. But I'll tell you what, this is a really good plate. And it'll cost you just a little bit over $10. And this can serve as lunch and dinner. There's a lot of food on the plate. But I just love the mac and cheese. Really nice. Really nice people. The only thing is the mango, a little bit too salty for me. But I'm sure it's a native thing. Maybe that's how they cook it. I just love the fish. It's so tender. So I'm going to end the video so I can enjoy this food. But I'm going to put the details on the screen. I was gonna take a video of the shop front, but she said the display is old. They're doing a new one, so I'm gonna definitely put the details on the screen, and I'll put the socials on the screen as well, so you can follow them. And if you're in the Crown Heights area, yeah, Utica Avenue in Brooklyn, definitely check them out. You see the owner is so friendly, really, really friendly. I saw how she treats her customers, really, and that's how you should run a business. So guys, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna enjoy my food. Until the next video, I say stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side.